Have some coffee,
right.
people.
Man, I told you not to talk. You can't be quiet, Will. You be quiet while I read this disclaimer. I'm joking, everybody. I'm not going to read that. Hopefully, you guys can read that.
Just be careful out there.
Be careful out there. Welcome, everybody. It's another great morning here at the Market Chameleon. Will's going to walk us through some greatness. This is the Market Chameleon Fortnite edition for everybody out there who has a kid. Yeah, you hear him in the background, man. Hey, Owen, you need to be quiet. We're on air, buddy.
This is your podcast from Costa Rica.
Well, I tell you, it's Owen. Hey. Yeah, we're live. This is live TV, man. This happens, dude. It just happens. Look at him, man. He just goes, dude.
Yep, he's working. He is working it. That's good. That's good work for school. I hear people are charging $25 an hour.
Yep.
To make their children better Fortnite players in the hopes that they will be paid at the back end with scholarships. And
to Fortnite University?
The Fortnite U.
I love it. All right, let's not bore these people with the Fortnite chatter. Let's have something exciting, man. Bring me up some chameleon, and let's get some data today, man. What do we got going on today?
Do you want the chameleon?
I want the chameleon. I want some data. I want to know how. What were we talking about yesterday? Amazon? Your secret Amazon play that you're not letting us in on?
Amazon, please. All I know is I get a package from that company every day. I mean, how many deodorants and toothpaste can you get in the mail? So are you seeing the screen? Let's just confirm.
No, we're not seeing anything, man. I'm seeing you.
All right. I was sharing, but we're back on. You see it now?
There you go. We got it, man. Give me 1 second. You talk for a second, and I'm going to put you on full screen.
All right. I am looking at the front page of the Chameleon, the landing page, see if anything jumps out at me.
Yep, we got you.
How do I look this morning? Tired?
Looking great, man. Not tired, dude. Psyched. By the way, the reason my kid's playing Fortnite before what normally would be before school is because it's a holiday down here in Rica, man.
Awesome.
We got it. I don't know what it is. It's whatever. We get holidays all the time down here. It's beautiful.
It's such a productive country. That's why.
I got the day off, but I got no days off, man. 5:30 in the morning, up and grinding, baby.
Yes.
Let's make some money, man.
All right. So I see Tesla showed up in our feed, and they obviously it's a nice little reminder. It reported earnings last night. They're saying he was contrite on his conference call and was very polite to everyone and actually apologized to two of the analysts who he had ripped the previous call. And they love that. Stock's up $25, 8%. Let's just take a quick look on it. Obviously, one of the nice things, you click on the symbol, another tab pops up with the Tesla summary page. And I just wanted to see, just out of curiosity, what the options were pricing going into this earnings. So I'm going to click under Tools, Earnings.
Yep.
It'd be nice if I logged in.
Come on, man. You got to get your tech right. By the way, are you using is it the new computer or the old? Are you back to oldie but goldie?
I'm on the new one. The technology's back. I was on the phone 5 hours with India yesterday, and they worked this stupid American through the process, and
God bless them, man.
Yeah, they're great. They're great,
dude. Great. Like a PhD on the phone.
Yeah, walking me through. Only in America.
God bless.
So, right up here, it's up 8%. The option traders were, very close, pricing a 9% move into this earnings yesterday. I'll tell you, the options traders, they are
smartest traders in the business.
They are pretty smart. So
how'd they let you in that club, man? What happened?
In the old days, you started on the grain floor in Chicago, and the world was your oyster. Most of my compatriots are shoe salesmen now.
You remember that dude, Coach? Remember? Oh, you probably don't remember him. He was in my firm. The big dude got in a fight. You remember that? Where they were like It was like full sumo style in the middle of the pit.
No,
That
that's
was the good old days, man.
Yeah. It's hard to do. You have to play Fortnite to get that type of activity these days.
You do. To run that adrenaline, it's just full-time Fortnite, man.
Yeah.
Full-time Fortnite.
So the next thing I'm just going to go to, and this is a free feature, the calendar. Obviously,
Yep.
I'm saying obviously, but when you click on the earnings up top, anything that says features, that's available to everyone, screeners, options, all these features. But we've grown on top of these features, premium products that we've used for years to trade and make a reasonable living for ourselves. And we now show all that information or share it with the world. But I'm going to go to the calendar first and just kind of take a look, see what's.
By the way, what did we learn from Tesla? Did we learn to never bet against Elon? What did we learn there?
It's hard to bet against that man. I mean, if he and Einhorn are having a little PP contest on Twitter, and it just seems like a bad place to go is try to bet against a guy who's sending rocket ships to the moon. I don't know. One stupid guy's opinion. I don't know.
No, a lot of people who've lost money betting against that dude.
Yeah. I don't know if I'd bet with him, but I'll tell you, I had not to get off topic, but I know we typically do when we're having coffee in the morning. But I pulled out the other day on it. I mean, I live on these winding roads in Pennsylvania, and I pull out, and maybe I was a little aggressive. There was a car maybe 30 or 40 yards coming down the street.
Yep.
It looked like a white sedan, and it came up on me so fast, you would have thought I was stopping him from going to the hospital to give birth. It was crazy. And in front of us, there was a delivery truck and another mom in a minivan, and he came right up behind me in this Tesla so fast. I mean, they are fast cars.
Fast, yeah, man.
But I don't know. I was not a fan of that Tesla driving. Anyways, let's go.
Dude, you got to be aggressive, man. Come on, man. You're in this industry. Come on, dude.
We're living in the country.
The guy's got, look, man. Look, you were slow. He was fast. Let the dude pass, man. He's a winner, dude. He's got to get somewhere. He's got stuff to do. Stop trying to hold him up, man. Guy's got somewhere to go, dude.
It's the American dream.
Yeah, dude. I'm sick of this. Let's stop being, hey, let's try to make every slow person faster. No, let's let the fast guys go, man. Let them go.
There should just be a slow lane on every road.
Let the fast guys go fast, man. That's America.
So we're on, and this is an awesome, great feature of the earnings calendar. But something I'm noticing is it's crowded right now in the heart of we're closer to the end of earnings season, but there's so many options out there to look at. I mean, we have 16 pages of
amazing
earnings items to go kind of page through today if you're an earnings player like I am. So
385 today, lots of choices, man.
So one of the features I like to use is this upcoming earnings analysis, and you click on that, and that gives you a great snapshot of overvalued implied earnings moves relative to 4-quarter history and undervalued. What do you think overvalued means, Uncle Adam?
You want to be looking to sell.
That's probably something you may want to look to sell some premium in, probably through a spread if you're doing it. Most people can't sell naked options. And undervalued, which I'm going to be more interested in because it concerns buying options that maybe are below where the previous moves were on an implied basis. And a nice piece of the feature is this relative to 4th-quarter average. It immediately gives you a look like this is 17% less than the 4-quarter average. This is 11% less. And you can start to piece through these opportunities coming up in the next 2 weeks and, forego. Remember this?
Yep.
A lot of items you got to piece through, and you got to click on BDX and see if there's any alerts popping up here. We have no alerts. You just got to piece through the whole calendar back and forth and go, here.
Dude, ain't nobody got time for that, man. You're
speaking of fast, right? The Tesla, this is your Tesla. This is your chameleon in a Tesla right here, this upcoming earnings analysis. And you can look another nice feature just for S and giggles is looking at this overvalue. These are the last 2 weeks. These were items that showed up last 2 weeks in the overvalued. Kind of shows what it did. Outsized move. There was one outside move. TROX. Undervalued. This is kind of what happened. Another thing you can do, you can click here in the ETF, and if you wanted to just look at something that was in the SPY coming up.
Yeah.
You know,
and of course, everybody knows your watch list. Of course, then you can add stocks to your watch list. You just use that drop down right there, which is in my watch list. Select your watch list that you want to filter by.
Yeah.
Obviously, this is just Will's fun account for the live videos. But a typical trader will have at least tens of different watch lists.
Did you say tens?
Tens.
Does that mean 20?
Tens. That means at least 20.
I love tens.
I prefer tens than dozens. I mean, whoever came up with dozens, man. Come on,
dozens.
Man. How are you supposed
to
multiply by dozens? What's 12 times 18, Will? Quick. Come on. Nobody knows that, dude. Nobody knows that.
No one knows that 30 can pop up in your head.
Tesla knows.
You've got to be raised in the South African private school system to know stuff like that.
Yeah, exactly.
Two kids raised in public school in Connecticut aren't gonna know that. What?
Hey, Owen, what's 14 times 75? Saturday. Exactly.
Is Fortnite available?
We got a different set of skills, man. Different set of skills.
Yep. Everyone's got their own mojo.
Yep.
So there you go, dude. That's my 15 minutes of fun today.
Nice.
And
tips of the day. Get everybody going. Hope everybody has a great day trading. Thanks, brother.
Thank you, my friend.
All right. I'll talk to you later.
Thank you, chameleons out there. Keep it real. Bye.